is Shianne. I try to make videos here on YouTube, and I really developed a passion for it. I had tried to keep the rhinestones a secret, but then I realized that I'm starting the video off in them, so here they are. If you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Let's get on with the video. I hope you guys like the new intro. I done it myself, so I don't know how good it is. I know I haven't made a video in a really long time. I've just been busy, I've had health issues, and for the love of... I am not pregnant. There's other health issues in life that you can have when you're a young adult in a relationship that isn't pregnancy. Okay, let me just get that out of the way, because every single time I have one bad stomach or I cough, even, like anything, everyone's like, are you having a baby? Are you having a baby? No. There's other health issues that you can have without being pregnant. Okay, anyways, that being out in the open, I'm kind of going for a nice neutral eye because I got a little something fun planned, and I just hope that goes well. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm going to do my base. Right now I only have a little bit of mascara on from when I was out running errands earlier today. I'll be right back, which for you will be in like 0.2 of a second. Okay, so I'm back with my base done. I'm using this palette. Like I said, I'm just gonna do something really basic. Going in with Sweet Tea in the crease. I'm gonna shape my eye. So when I put this in, I'm gonna bring it at an angle. Some people like to use tape. Don't go to your eyebrow, but like almost. Go a little, like a smidgen above your natural crease. And like that, and then I'll deepen it up after. So I'm gonna go do the same. Hi, editing me here. I got the rhinestones taken off and some of my makeup is worn off a little bit. But I don't know why my energy is so bad here in the beginning, but I promise it do get better. Sorry about that. Okay, I have it done on both eyes. If you guys didn't notice, I put my hair up. My hair is kind of short, so I can't put it completely up, but I put it up in a ponytail because when I had it like half up, hairs was getting in my face and it was pissing me off. So I'm just taking this like little pencil brush and going in with a darker color. I'm just gonna deepen up my crease a little bit. Make sure to tap your brushes. Maybe I should show you this eye. I'm gonna be double filming with this look. Whenever I get that second video done up, it's gonna be an ASMR. So if you like ASMR, that video will be in the description once I get that up after. I'm actually gonna try this time. My other ASMR video, it just wasn't, I didn't try. I wasn't even planning on uploading it. That was just a joke, and then I edited it and thought it was funny, so. Okay, I'm also gonna take this in a darker color and put it down on my lower lash line. Connecting it. Mom gave me a mirror for Christmas. I should probably be using that one right now. My phone on my vanity mirror. So when I do my makeup, I'm looking above you because the mirror is literally right behind my phone. Okay, I'm gonna go clean this up, do this on this eye, and I'll be back. So now that we kind of got this grungy look going on, looking very grungy to me right now, but I'm gonna fix it up. So I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my hand. I'm taking this little brush, and I don't say my products, so I usually just use the same products over and over again, but this is just like proof to you guys that you don't need like expensive products to be doing good makeup looks. I, believe it or not, I do get a lot of compliments. I'm okay with makeup. I might not have the best makeup in the industry. A good makeup artist can make do with what they have, and that's what I do. I'm taking this like down, this concealer, and I'm gonna bring it into a bit right here. And what I'm doing on my hand is I'm taking from the pile of concealer and then I'm dabbing it off right here. So that way there's not a whole lot of concealer on the brush. Very time consuming, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this part off camera. Okay, so this is what I have. This is what I have with the concealer. I brought it down underneath as well. And then I'm gonna use just this flat packing brush, Berry Ice. Like I said, I wanted to do a really like natural eye look. Berry Ice, I'm just gonna pack that color on top. There's always that one eye that's way better. That's this eye. I always get better results on that one. And where the brown and that color meets, I'm just gonna swoosh them together using light swiping motions. What I have. I brought the concealer a little bit further into like my nose region. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the same brush and take a little bit of this yellow color Sunnies, put that on top just to brighten it up. See the difference here and here? This one's a little bit brighter. If you're gonna do this, just use Sunnies. I wanted to use Berry Ice because I thought that it would look nice, but it was too similar to the concealer that I had on. So I'm just putting Sunnies on top of that to brighten it up. But I should have used Sunnies in the first place. Do I want to do eyeliner? I'm not gonna do eyeliner then. I'm sorry. I don't want you guys to realize how bad of a makeup artist I am just yet. Maybe in like the next video, well, not the next video, because the next video is going to be an ASMR video. But maybe in like the video after that, I'll try it. Here's what I'll do. If you want me to try to do winged eyeliner in upcoming video, comment down below. Let's try that. So this is what I have for my eyes. And I'm gonna go put on mascara and eyelashes. So this is how my eyes turned out. I don't know how I feel, okay? But I'm not done with my eyes yet. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face. This is how I do my eyebrows. This is really simple, really easy. You can tell I have eyebrows, so it's not like I have to fill them in a whole lot. I just, you know, sharpen them up a little bit. Y'all know how I said we got that one eye? Yeah, well, I have that one eyebrow too. This eyebrow is always better than this one. Let's not talk about it. And then I add a little eyebrow gel. That's it for my eyebrows.
Wiping off the back of my bronzer because I use it for my highlighter.
I read that if you go past the center of your eye, will make you look older, and you always want to go up. And I just, if you can tell, well, I've hit pan. I just use a mixture of them all. If you need to find the hollows of your cheek, I'm sure you've heard every single YouTuber talking about it, where you go, that is the hollows of your cheek. The higher up you stay, yeah, I'm not talking about like go on up here. I'm just saying the higher up on your cheekbone that you stay, the younger you will look. Look at me talking like I knows what I'm at. If you guys can notice my accent coming out, let me know, because I really don't hear one from myself on a regular basis. But when I film videos, I'm like, that sounded really newfie. Lucas's mom gave me these earrings for Christmas, and I really like them. I usually just wear studs, so I was surprised, but these are really nice. She also gave me this necklace. It has my name on it, and on the back, oh, you can kind of see it there. On the back, it says Supergirl. Thank you, Donna, if you're watching this. I love you. This brush, there's nothing on it. And just, you know, make sure it is all blended, so that way I don't have just like a brown line on my face, because that's not the look, honey. That's not what I'm going for. How come every time I do my makeup, my nose starts running? It's like my body's like, no, highlighter. Handy loose eyeshadow that I stole from my aunt, and she now knows because of these videos. I also told her, don't steal. Just, you know, highlight. I forgot how much I love this. I don't use blush because I went through like a blush phase where I only use a blush. I think that really turned me from blush. A girl can't get enough highlighter. Even with bad lighting, you can still see it. My mom always tells me I was a little hard on the highlighter on my nose, and yes, I do. I know. I'm sorry, Mom. So I'm just gonna go wash my hands, and I'll be back to do my lips and the final touches on my eyes. So I was playing around to see what I wanted to do for the surprise, and this is what it came in with. I absolutely love this. So I have a diamond down in the, it's a little bit off center, but that's what I wanted. But I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but hey, I got this. It's a pack of like rhinestones. I forgot the name of them. So once they're all together, so what I did is I just picked them apart. Some bigger ones in here, like this one. I also have like some massive ones. I have this one. I'm never gonna use that. I have this little flower, a couple of these. I have a couple of these squares. Probably never gonna use that either. But this is what I came up with. So now I'm gonna show you how I done this on this eye. So I have a little of the smaller ones in this container, and I have eyelash glue. Just pick one up. You like that? Dab it. I'm just gonna put this one right there. And just press on it to make sure that it's in place. And then that's the first one. I have one like in my arch. Got one. See, this is so difficult. That's why I did it off screen. Arch of my eyebrow like that. And then I'm going to do one at the end. So I'm just picking them up with my tweezers, dipping them in the glue there. And one last one in the inner corner, and then the big one. Okay, let me tell you guys a little story. I've never once wanted to take my nose ring in. When I wanted to get my nose pierced first, my mom was like, you're gonna hate it, you're gonna get it done and regret it. I was like, no, Mom, I want it done, I want it done. She didn't let me get it done. When I went to university, I went and I got my nose pierced, and I FaceTimed my mom. I was like, she's like, Shianne, I can't believe you did it. Like, now she's used to it. And let me just say, never once have I regretted it, by the way. Never once. I still have, I'm gonna twist it so if this grosses you guys out. I still have the piercing hoop in, so I can't take it out. And I've never even wanted to take it out and put a stud in. Like, I love the hoop, I love the way it looks. I think it looks really good on my face. But this is the one time I've ever wanted to put a stud in, because that would look cool with like studs and then a stud. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do lipstick. I'm using the Sephora cream lip stain in 13. So this is the finished look. I really like this. I'm gonna go and do something with my hair, and then I'll be back for the final hoo-ha. I put a little braid in my hair. You can't really tell because the lighting. I put on a nude shirt to stick with the neutrals. This is what I got. I gotta say, I really liked it. I wish I went on the rhinestone kick before now. I really like it. And hopefully I feel better and I get more time to film videos, because I really liked how this turned out, and I like filming videos. I really developed a passion for these. I really like them, so yeah, I hope I can film more. I'm actually gonna film right after this, once again, an ASMR. If you like ASMR, please go watch it. I'll link it below when it's uploaded. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and put in more videos like I said. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Bye.
I really need a new chair. And this palette, I can never get it open. It's my brush with my nails. So I'm gonna take this little pencil. Shut up! Because right now I have a ponytail. Y'all know me. I'll change my hair about it over this. Is there something I whip or is that my phone? Okay, it's my phone. I know that if my necklace is crooked, it will piss people off, and I don't want to do that. Believe it or not, I'm not in the business of pissing people off. I don't know which way. I wish I filmed when there was daylight and light swiping motion. It was right in front of me. Highlighter! Oh, my arm's up really fast. Highlight! I think that... Can you not right now? So it's winter. Right now as I'm filming this. I just love skidoos. I can't find the tweezers I use regularly, so I'm using these. I don't like these. That one put it to the side. I can't get that one to work. In this video, you couldn't hear the people upstairs at all. Watch. When I try and film an ASMR video, you're going to hear it a lot.